Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.70 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.70, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power for the bulls. Next level of support after that would be as low as it got today, and that's, oh, that makes it easy, right down there at $2.50. So $2.70, $2.50, two of the near-term levels of support. But taking a step back here and looking at more so the big picture. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon on things. But that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, again, assuming you care about more of a grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. The price is at full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if it could stay above 270, that would be great. But from the big picture, as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls are 100% in control. Now, in regards to areas of resistance, let's talk about a couple of these. First one right here at the $3 mark, and I'll call this more the shorter term one. You can see several times there, and then a couple of times this afternoon, and then late afternoon right there. Price, try to get above it, couldn't quite do it, so that'll be that initial hurdle to cross. And then the next key level of resistance after that is essentially where the party stopped up there, right around $3.30. Any way you slice it, though, very nice move today, and I'm sure there'll be plenty of eyeballs on this one tomorrow. So yeah, let's see how this one closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.